today we are gonna be playing a card game.
So whoever knocks down the most with the cars like running them wins, and my turn is first.
Okay, let's start Adi and Ved.
Okay. That was a lot.
Oh, now that was a lot.
3, 2, 1. Then do better.
Now that was a lot.
That was 2. Now 3, 2. I'm taking one of the big guys.
What?
Only one left. Oh, there's 3 left.
Four, and five left.
No, it's my turn, right?
Five left.
Yes, man.
I got 2 down. No, I actually did. You got 0 down. No, good.
Whoa! Now Adi's turn.
My turn 2 times because Red won 2 times. Oh, dang.
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yay.
I win.
No. So today we're gonna be playing like a game. So basically, you have to make the cars hit the wooden things, and whoever does the most wins the whole game. And my turn is first.
Team players Ved and
And me.
okay, Ved and Adi, right?
Yeah. I'm adding
Yeah.
Red. That's red.
First turn is
Me.
okay. First turn is Adi's, right?
3, 2, 1.
Oh no,
It missed.
it missed. Now Ved's turn. Oh, good
Red's
job.
winning,
Now
Red's
Adi's
winning.
turn.
Red's winning. I'm going with the big one.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Red's
Now
still
Ved's turn. Whoa! Adi, now Ved's turn. Only. Oh! Good job.
winning. I win.
Yay!
Like and subscribe to our channel. Get us to 1K or better 100K.
Oh!
Yay!
Good job, Adi and Ved. Yay!
It's our third round.
And today, this time we're gonna be that we're adding cups to it, and yeah, it's the coolest.
And whose turn is first?
Mine.
Mine's.
No. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
he
his.
won. Yeah,
Yeah,
he
mine.
won last time.
Yeah,
so,
mine's.
yeah.
Let's start, Adi and Ved. This is your third round, right?
Third.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Oh!
Okay. He's already won. So.
One more.
One more.
One more. No.
Get it, Red?
Adi, your turn now.
Two more.
Oh, one more.
Like and
Whoa!
subscribe. Get us to 1K. Or even better,
1 billion.
yeah!
Please like and subscribe our.
channel.
Thank you so much for.
Watching.
Bye bye.